Parvati S. Kumar. I'm a final year MBBS student of Government Medical College, Kozhikode, and I'm also the program convener of the DAMS MedMeet UG conference to be conducted by College Union 2020 in association with DAMS. Today, I feel very honored to be here with one of the most prominent figures in the medical field, Dr. Sumesh Sethi sir, as our guest of honor for the brochure release of DAMS MedMeet UG Conference 2020. Sir, you are one of the eminent radiologists, the CEO of DAMS PG Coaching Institute, and also the head of Teleraj Company, a motivational speaker, and whatnot. So I don't think there is no other guest better for the brochure release. So it's my privilege to welcome you, sir, to this brochure release. Welcome, sir.
Parvati, it is such a pleasure to be, with you in this event, and I'm so excited about this event that because especially with the current pandemic scenario in picture, I think the event that you are organizing has more value than a usual event. Today, all the children, all the medical students are looking forward to have some fun-filled activities, some academic activities, and some social interaction. I think you have taken the good step forward, and that is where the idea was floated to me, I felt we should be a part of it because I think you're doing a fantastic job by organizing such an event. Please tell us about your event more.
Yes, sir. So, as you said, sir, actually the COVID pandemic has taken over the world, and it's been 4 months since we have been exposed to the clinics. We really miss the clinics. So it was in such a situation that the college union has decided, and we came up to DAMS, and we have together decided to come up with this beautiful venture to freshen up our clinical knowledges. It's an e-learning experience. So basically, we have events like case presentations are going to be conducted. There will be separate case presentations for every clinical subjects. So where all the basic cases would be discussed with the proper history and clinical examination so that students can brush up all those clinical scenarios. It would definitely help the final year students. Even as a participant or even as a listener, they can be a part of all these events. Other than that, there is paper presentation and poster presentation events for all those enthusiastic research students. And also there are so many quizzes being organized. There will be a national level MedMeet quiz, DAMS MedMeet quiz that would be conducted through the e-learning eMedicos app. As well as there are competitions for first years also. We have also tried to include first year competitions because since they are not exposed to all these clinical scenarios, we thought they should also get some opportunity to participate in events. So there is a symposium. It is a competition where selected topics in anatomy would be given so that they can prepare, they can present slides so that we can see how much knowledge they have, and their presenting skills can also be judged. And there is an entirely different, something new, a competition wise, that is a digital note making competition is being organized. Every student has a way, many of the times all the informations are scattered in several books. So somebody who is a good learner would be always clustering those informations together to a beautiful note. So if that notebook would be available to every student, it would be a wonderful opportunity. So that is the main idea behind conducting such a competition. So students can prepare digital notes. It can be either handwritten and made into a digital version, or it can be completely typed. So prepare a beautiful note on whichever topics available, and the best notes which has the complete knowledge in it would be given the prizes. So that's a new event that we have really tried to organize. And apart from that, we are also organizing beautiful, important lectures, including, sir, you will be also taking few lectures, right?
Yes.
There are definitely lectures on radiology and also several basic lectures in ECG, and also regarding the basic clinical knowledges, and also in the future, that is like PG coaching regarding the next examinations, sessions on how to crack PLAB or USMLE in both the academically as well as in case of our personal futuristic oriented classes are being provided. And along with that, we are also conducting an integrated case discussion for the UG students. we are in middle of COVID-19, but how many of them would be properly aware of what is exactly COVID-19 scientifically? So along with DAMS faculties, we are organizing an integrated case discussion on COVID-19. So that would be a beautifully a real eye opener for the students. And there are competitions as well as all these lectures, which every student in India should definitely attend just to strengthen their knowledge. So that's the nutshell of all the events. And the lectures, sir, all these would be conducted via eMedico's app also. So I would like you to speak a few words on this event, sir.
So Parvati, I would like to begin by telling the listeners that, look at her enthusiasm about the event. And I think this enthusiasm is going to be infective, and we will have a lot of enthusiastic youngsters participating in these events. In these events,
Yes.
I would like to point out some of the events where, we would be directly delivering them on our app. One of them will be that national level quiz in the MedMeet, where we will have a participation. I believe that we will have participation from across the country, if not across the world, with her enthusiasm. And we will have a great quiz on the eMedico's app running there. We will have a special COVID-19 seminar with the experts. We'll be, updating the young graduates and the young students about what to know about this disease. And plus all those papers, posters, case presentations. It sounds really, really exciting to me. Even today, I would love to be a part of such an event. And I am grateful to the Students' Union in the Government Medical College, Calicut, for organizing this event and for having us with them. And I wish them all the best for their event. And I would request all the listeners who are listening to us today to contribute in this event by participation. More you participate in these events, as a youngster, today, if the pandemic was not there, you would have been attending a lot of college events. You would have gone to the events, you would have socialized. But let's not let the pandemic stop you. Let's not let this difficult time stop you. Let's, be a part of the events digitally. And I'm very, very hopeful that next year, Parvati, I want you to tell us here also. Next year, we will again have this event, a second edition of this event, but that time we will have it face to face. I want to hear it from you so that we can have some hope for all the future listeners that next time we will have a face to face event with your college union. What do you say, Parvati, to that?
Yes, sir. Even I am very enthusiastically waiting for that day to come. So let's hope everything happens very well. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for supporting this initiative, for providing such a wonderful platform for the brochure release, and also for encouraging all the students to participate in the event. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you to the entire DAMS family and the faculties. So once again, College Union 2020, in association with DAMS, proudly presents to everyone the DAMS MedMeet 2020, the UG conference for students.
See you all in the DAMS MedMeet with the College Union, Government Medical College, Calicut. Please participate. The more you participate, more you learn. I wish you all the best. God bless you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.